You're creating your digital products completely wrong. There's one secret to selling digital products that most creators don't think about, and it's a reason some make thousands while others make nothing. I stumbled onto this after months of trial and error, and once I figured it out, my sales tripled. And I'm sharing the whole system in this video. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I've made over 27,000 in digital product sales on Etsy, and the strategy I'm about to share is a merger of old, how I started and grew, and the new, AI, new tools, trends, basically 15 years of experience in a 10-minute video lesson. Okay, so the first real secret, you create it once and you use it multiple times for different products. And here's what I mean by that. Let's say you design a cute fish illustration for a t-shirt, but the same fish design can become a planner cover, a coloring book page, a journal cover, or printable wall art, even sticker designs. One design, 6 different products. And I do this with almost everything I create now. If I make a design for one thing, I immediately ask myself, where else can this go? This alone has tripled my product catalog without tripling my workload. The second secret is you create it once and you sell it in multiple places. Why would you limit your reach to just one platform? I sell this same coloring book on Etsy, on Amazon KDP, on a Stan store, in Gumroad. It's the same book, but it has 4 income streams. And here's the thing, each platform reaches different audiences. Someone shopping on Etsy might never find me on Amazon or vice versa. So I show up everywhere. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a lot of work to manage? Not really. You upload it once to each platform and it's done. The product sits there making sales while you sleep. I've had coloring books selling on KDP for years, but I uploaded it once and I never touched it again. And that is passive income. My third secret is adding digital products to your other shops and stores, regardless of the niche. Let me give you an example. Let's say you sell fishing t-shirts. Your store is all about fishing. You could easily add a fishing log, a fishing coloring book, a fishing planner, all with fish designs as the covers. Your existing customers who love fishing will buy these too. And digital products cost you nothing to create once they're made. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. You're already attracting the right audience, just give them more to buy. Section 4 is use tools to scale. For digital products, I use Canva, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Gamma app, WriteBlogger. For faceless videos, I use 11 Labs, InVideo, and CapCut. For children's books, here's a tip your future self will thank you for. Hire an illustrator to create your characters and use AI for backgrounds or extras. The reason is AI can't be copyrighted. And if you have $1 million kids brand from AI, then it's not protected and can't be sold for millions of dollars. Your future self will thank you if you create the character for $150 or less. I use Stephanie, that's why I said $150. You can find her link in my description down below. She's a wonderful freelancer I found on Upwork. And I have multiple characters that she's created for me. And I linked the profile in the description down below. But these tools create products in 20 to 30 minutes instead of hours or days. That means I can test 10 product ideas in the same amount of time that it used to take me to create one. So the faster that you can create and test, the faster you can grow. The fifth secret is match your selling platform to your product type. Printables, wall art, Etsy, because it has a built-in audience and people expect that on Etsy. You can even do Gumroad because it works well there too. Books and coloring pages, KDP is perfect. Courses and templates, Stan Store, because you have to drive the traffic for those. Or you can put it on your own website. The platform matters because each one has a built-in audience looking for specific things. Don't fight the platform, use what it's already good at. So the sixth secret, social media will only ever help you grow and sell faster. And if you don't want to show your face, you can do faceless videos. Faceless videos showing your products in use, text on screen, explaining the value, trending audio in the background. These go viral all the time. I've seen creators with tiny followings blow up with one faceless video and drove thousands to their shop. The more places that you show up, the faster you grow, and it's just that simple. So let me recap the entire system because it's this easy. 1, create your design or product once, repurpose it in multiple products. 2, sell your product on multiple platforms to reach more buyers. 3, add digital products to any store you already have, regardless of the niche. And 4, use tools to create faster so you can test and scale. And 5, match your platform to your product type. And 6, and this is the sprinkles on the cake, use social media and faceless content to drive traffic. This is the system and it works. And once you understand it, you'll never go back to creating one product for one place, hoping it sells. So those are my digital product secrets. Create it once, sell everywhere, sell on multiple platforms, use multiple tools to speed up the whole process. And I've linked everything that I've mentioned down in the description below. And if you want to know how to create a specific type of digital product, you can watch this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.